Received a 940 file from your bank and your accounting software needs to import it? These are standardized electronic bank statements used worldwide. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to read, import, and process these SWIFT banking files. Consider this the ace up my sleeve. There is a powerful technical workaround that I reserve for the toughest 9.4.0 cases. We'll cover the easier fixes first. 9.4.0 files are SWIFT MT940, electronic bank statement files used in international banking and financial data exchange. They contain structured transaction records including opening and closing balances, individual debit and credit entries, value dates, transaction references, and booking descriptions following the SWIFT messaging standard. 9.4.0 files are SWIFT MT940, electronic bank statement files used in international banking and financial data exchange. They contain structured transaction records including opening and closing balances, individual debit and credit entries, value dates, transaction references, and booking descriptions following the SWIFT messaging standard. If you're unsure which app to use for 9.4.0, start with banking software. The file's minimalist design confuses most native Windows file handlers. Windows shows only basic file facts, so deeper investigation requires the correct program. Right-click the 9.4.0 file and select Open With. Since this format can be handled by multiple tools, try the best match from the list first. Look for apps related to banking software. Then continue down the options. When a 9.4.0 file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. Because the 9.4.0 format is proprietary, simple misconfigurations are common. We need to verify these crucial technical details using our checklist. First, view the statement. Open the 940 file in any text editor such as Notepad+ to view the raw SWIFT message content. Each tagged field begins with a colon, followed by the field number. The structured data shows your account number, balance entries, and individual transaction records with dates, amounts, and reference descriptions. Next, import into accounting software. Most accounting and ERP software supports MT940 import. In software like QuickBooks, Sage, or Exact, open the Bank Transaction Import function and select the MT940 or SWIFT format option. Browse to the 940 file and the software parses the transactions, mapping them to your chart of accounts for reconciliation. Finally, convert to CSV for analysis. Use an MT940 parser tool or online converter to transform the 940 file into CSV or Excel format for easier analysis. Tools like MT940, Library for Python, or web-based converters extract each transaction into spreadsheet rows with columns for data amount description and reference, enabling filtering and reporting. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. File Magic is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagic.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.